Tuesday at 2. I'm Marjorie Dick Stuart. Today I've got an interesting topic. I was on a listing appointment the other day and a seller said to me, "You know, Marjorie, it's my understanding that more expensive listings over $2 million just take longer to sell." Thought about that for a second. Thought about some of the listings I've had, the $3 million listing I sold in 5 days and the $2.3 million listing I sold in 1 day, and I thought, can't just be me, right? So I went and I looked it up. I looked it up in the computer, and I went to this program we call MLS to see, okay, maybe I'm missing something. And I went and I looked at all the listings in my area that sold over $2 million in the last 6 months, and how quickly did they sell? So it looks to me, according to MLS, that the $2 million to $10 million market is moving the same way that the $1 million market is moving, where if it's priced right for the product, it's selling in 14 days, and if it's not priced right for the product, it's not selling in 14 days. So I can't say I was surprised. I was excited to find out that what I was saying was true, because it wasn't just me, it was all the listings in my area. Give you a couple of examples. I'm looking at this list for $4,495,000 sold in 5 days, $2,039,000 sold in 6 days, $3.249 million sold in 2 days, but interestingly, it was listed for 127 days with one agent. And then the product was changed, the price, the look, who knows what, usually the price, and it sold in 2 days. Here's another one that was on the market for 150 days, and when the price was changed to the correct price for the product, it sold in 5 days. And here's another one that was on the market for 172 days, $2.7 million, sold in 6 days when it was relisted at the right price for the product. So my point here is, if you're a seller, don't believe that. If someone's telling you that it just takes longer to sell a higher priced property, there are statistics to show you, and I can show you those statistics, they are in here, that that is not true. And if you're a buyer and you're looking at a property that's on the market for 250 gazillion days, it doesn't mean there's anything wrong with it, because the buyers are constantly saying, what's wrong with the house that's been on the market so long? It's not because it's a high-priced property. It's not because there's something wrong with it. It's just not, the price is not matching the product. So, sellers, don't overprice your houses. It's not going to do anything for you to have a sign sit out in your yard for 172 days before you price it right. And buyers, don't be afraid of those properties. There's nothing wrong with them. They're just too pricey for the product. So if there is a topic that you're not catching on my What's Working Now that you want to hear about, email me, text me, call me, let me know, and we'll put it up next week on What's Working Now Tuesday at 2. See you then. Tell your friends.